Okay, I'm working on getting the Bronco pulled into the garage. The kids are being goofy while they're waiting for the Bronco to start. Apparently the battery's no good because it charged for 7 hours the other day and it's still not enough. Back in the garage, you guys. Charlie, back in the garage. Yes. Anyways, we're gonna fire it up and pull it in the garage tonight. Okay, after 45 minutes on the charger, she fired up. Time to put some air in the tires and pull her in the garage. Stay tuned, fuckers. Fuck the neighbors. Alright, let's move this cocksucker. She looks happy. Going forward! Good? All right. Well, it's in the garage. That headlight does not work. That one does. My wife almost died from the exhaust fumes, but now I can start taking off the doors, the front clip, the hood, the grill, all that shit, and replace it. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.